Hello guys, thank you for joining us again today. We're going to move to the front of the bike now and install the windshield trim. This is a running light and a sequential indicator. So let's go up and do the installation. Okay, first of all now we'll just check out the contents of the box. Right, we have our two trims. Little bag of fixings. Right, we have the two trims, our bag of cable ties and our instructions. So now we'll move to the bike and we'll start the installation. Okay, first thing we do now is line up the lights and we put them on with a bit of tape like that one. So we need tape. Just put them into position whilst we do the installation. Feeding the wires through. Now, first we've got to do is remove the mirror. So we've one Allen key under here. Don't forget to like and subscribe and leave a comment down below. Join us on our YouTube channel, Shinywing European Goldwing Specialists. Okay, we're fishing them both through the left hand side of the tank, petrol tank. There's enough space there to bring the cables through. And plug them in here. And we're good to go. Okay. So now we'll just reassemble the light. Oh, sorry, yeah, the mirror. Right, now that's assembled, we'll now put on the lights properly. Hold it there for 60 seconds. And then we'll test them. So you can see they have a little opening ceremony that they go through. And that's your running light. So your right indicator and your left indicator. And that's them. Okay, that's the installation finished with. You'll find a link down below in the description for the product and also to our site, shinywing.com. Thank you for joining us, and it's goodbye from Paul. With